Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing tools and a clean workspace. This reduces damage risk and speeds the fix. Once ready, power off devices, remove silicone tips, and open the case. Take a photo so you can reverse the steps. Next, gently pry the hinge cover and inspect the earbud internals. Look for debris, corrosion, or a displaced speaker grill. Make sure to work slowly. Small catches mean clips, and forcing parts can break plastic, so pause and reevaluate before applying more force. You now disassemble the driver housing carefully to access the internals. Once the grill or foam is off, do not touch the driver membrane. Oils will harm sound. Use a cotton swab lightly moistened with 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean speaker cups and electrical contacts. This removes corrosion and improves connectivity. Check tiny flex cables and solder joints for breaks if wires are loose. Reflow or secure with a minimal dab of solder or conductive adhesive. Make sure magnets and mesh are real. You reassemble by reversing your photos. Seat the driver and grill, replace foam tips, and fasten the hinge without over-torquing. This preserves seals and alignment. Once closed, charge the case and perform a firmware reset to clear software glitches. This often restores functions after hardware work. Then run audio mic and left/right balance tests to confirm repair. If things go wrong, try the inspection again for missed debris or broken solder. If still unresolved, plan part replacement or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.